How to install 1-light LNC wooden spotlight. Remove the fixture from the carton and check all parts and accessories. Unscrew the studs from the joints, then carefully adjust the rod till the holes are aligned. Put them together and secure with stud. Install the bulb. Adjust studs, the rod, and metal shade as required to achieve the desired light direction. LNC is always aimed at bringing home furnishings with love. We hope you enjoy your new LNC light.